What's going on, Internet? Mikey V Trading. We're back just for you guys. Today we're going through an HE Assorted branded houseware lot. So these are priced at a percentage of wholesale value. They're in customer return condition, fully manifested, and you've got the option to buy them by the single pallet, lot, and truckload. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna unpalletize it, meaning we're just gonna take some items, put them on the floor here for you guys to see what the items actually look like. And once we're done with that, we're gonna crack a few boxes open to show you guys the condition. Well, let's get right to it. Now that we've done the unpalletizing, let's get to the fun part. We're gonna open some of these boxes to give you a better idea of what you can expect to receive from customer returns. Come with me. Alright, so there you go. What is this? A little neck and shoulder massager. Obviously been opened. Seems to be in good condition. All you gotta do is plug it in and check it out. So this must have been returned without a box. This is another one out of box. Seems to have everything there. Large deep fryer. Doesn't seem to have been used, but it is out of box. Alright, see the good stuff. There you go. So, it's been used. Now remember, these are fully manifested, so you're going to know what you're receiving, but sometimes when I leave them in boxes, you don't know what to expect. And there you've got a Dyson. Zoom in right here. See, it's been used. Compare that Dyson to this one that didn't even come in a brown box. Just look at what's in there. See a few water or oil marks in there. But you know what? All in all, this stuff looks really good. So the manifest will tell you what this actually was since there's no box. Here's your massager. Seems to be in packaging, just the box is a little bit mangled. Now what's going on here? A little Dyson Fan. How do we open this baby up? No. Couldn't go through the bottom. Well, it's already been opened. And there is no top and bottom, it's just straight up. Okay, look at this. This is a Dyson Fan. Again, fully manifested. You'll know exactly how much you paid for this particular item and exactly how much it retailed for, as well as the wholesale value of it. See, I like focusing on the ones that have already been opened, because chances are that those will be in less than new condition as opposed to the ones that have never been opened. But so far, we're not able to show you guys anything really out of the ordinary, which is what we're actually trying to do here, because this is all for educational purposes and to help you guys get a better understanding of liquidation. So now, bakeware set. Don't send this to my wife. She's been baking cakes like crazy lately. See, what is this? This is a piece of something. Shall we find out of what? Everything seems to be in perfect condition except for this one. You see, from the looks of it, the majority of these are in good condition, and they may have just been damaged in transit, being brought back to the shop, being sent to us, being thrown in the pallet. But at the end of the day, these are customer returns. You have to expect that a percentage are going to be damaged, missing pieces, have stains, marks here and there, but you know, I'm doing my best to show you the worst case scenario. And so far, I'm failing to do that, which is a very good sign. We really got to find something that can give you an idea of the type of damages, missing items, and things you can get. So I'm determined to open a few more items and see what we can get. Alright, there you have it. That's our HE Assorted branded houseware lots. So we're going to go back and repalletize these. But remember, fully manifested, customer return condition, available by the single pallet, the lot, and the truckload. Check them out on the load center, viatrading.com. Click load center right there. Ask us questions below. Leave comments below. Subscribe. Let us know what else you want to see an unboxing of. Make sure it's not tools or furniture because this is quite a workout. We'll see you guys next time.